Inspection before use. pH probe, keep in protective cap, and in moisture. Glass bulb should be integrate. No rustiness on EC conductivity electrode. Dissolved oxygen probe. Remove anti-collision hood. No broken. Electrode fit tightly with membrane set. Clean surface on electrode working area. Clear electrolyte and more than half height. It's fine to have slightly salt crystal or precipitate. Screw on protection hood after inspection. Testing. Insert batteries. Plug pin should be straight. Find the installation guide between plugs and sockets with matched direction. Plug and screw in. Lock it down with the lock screw. Press set to turn on the meter. The reading will display on LCD. Calibration. Dissolved oxygen. Turn on the meter for 5 to 10 minutes. Calibrate after the reading is stabilized. Before each operating, need to do a 100% saturation calibration at testing location, or in a similar temperature and pressure environment. Temperature difference should be within 10 Celsius degree. Hold the DO probe in the air. Long press cal, until cal icon appears. After the reading is stabilized, press enter. Or wait for about 30 seconds. SA appears when the result is automatically saved and it will return to measuring mode. Remember to turn on to activate electrode for 10 minutes and perform a 100% calibration. In doing so, you can get accurate readings. pH. Start from pH 7. Long press cal to enter calibration. Set standard value using up and down keys. Use a transparent container and make sure the pH electrode is completely immersed in buffer. Stir gently to get homogeneous condition. Calibrate when pH reading is unstable or incorrect. Do not reuse standard buffer. Once the reading stabilize, press enter. Or wait for SA icon appears when the result is automatically saved. Rinse probe with deionized water and blow dry. pH 4. Long press cal to enter calibration. Set standard value using up and down keys. Use a transparent container and make sure the pH electrode is completely immersed in buffer. Stir gently to get homogeneous condition. Calibrate when pH reading is unstable or incorrect. Do not reuse standard buffer. Once the reading stabilized, press enter. Or wait for SA icon appears when the result is automatically saved. Rinse probe with deionized water after use and blow dry. pH 10. Long press cal to enter calibration. Set standard value using up and down keys. Use a transparent container and make sure the pH electrode is completely immersed in buffer. Stir gently to get homogeneous condition. Calibrate when pH reading is unstable or incorrect. Do not reuse standard buffer. Once the reading stabilized, press enter. Or wait for SA icon appears when the result is automatically saved. Rinse probe with deionized water after use. Dry the glass bulb and replace the storage cap. Conductivity calibration. Repeat for 4 to 5 times, dip in solution and swing dry. It can remove air bubbles which result in inaccurate readings. Long press cal to enter calibration. Set standard value using up and down keys. Only need to do single point calibration, choose an appropriate standard according to your measuring range. Once the reading is stable, press enter, or wait for SA icon appears when the result is automatically saved. Always wash with clean water after use. Probe maintenance. Pour the electrolyte solution to the new membrane set till full. Remove the membrane set from probe. Once the membrane set has been removed, do not reuse the same membrane set. Do not loosen the membrane set, unless you need to change membrane set or clean the electrode. Use soft or long fiber cloth to clean the surface. If the residues cannot be removed by cloth, you can use fingernail or knife to scrape. When dissolved oxygen electrolyze less than half, broken or wrinkled membrane, or too many residues founded on electrode working area, you can change a new membrane set. Install new membrane set with full electrolyte, then hand tighten. Rinse with clean water, then wipe it. Do not twist or fold the strain relief cable. If pH probe is stained with greasy or dirt, clean it with neutral detergents. Make sure the pH glass bulb is moistened at all times, and there is enough storage buffer in the cover cap. Replace the electrode cap for storage. Conductivity probe. Rinse with clean water, then wipe. Keep it dry for storage.